The outdoor kitchen is a little bit of fun. It's an added, obviously, a benefit we can share with our customers, but it's fun. It's probably a day install for a normal outdoor kitchen, if that. And some of them, it's simple. If someone goes, can you move it a bit? You can move it a bit. If they want to take it with them, they can take it with them. So and then the using it is even fun to mess up. Everyone burns things. They have a beer. They have the family round. You burn your hand. You burn. You overcook a pizza. You have too many beers with your mates. And you come back and the pizza's on fire. All that's just part of it. A bit of fun, a learning curve. And it's surprising how quick a pizza oven, the first time I used it, I've been shown how to do it. I lit it fine. I put it down and I kept getting it up because I hadn't got my kitchen built at that point. Going inside, making a pizza up, coming back outside and the temperature had all dropped. And half the battle was where I'd positioned it, the wind was blowing straight into it. So it was kind of dulling it down all the time. And obviously you need a high temperature for pizza. And then I was building it up, getting the flames roaring, then going inside, faffing around, making the pizza, coming back out, bringing it out, and it already sort of dropped in temperature. So that was my learning curve. Second one I did, the pizza was turned 90 degrees, the oven was turned 90 degrees. I had the stuff outside there with me, and bang, you're doing it, and it was a doddle, and straight away you learn, the technique of turning a pizza and things like that. It takes a little bit longer to learn, but you can't really get it wrong.